Good morning or good afternoon. My name is Kimberly Bishop. I am the owner and one of the attorneys at the Bishop Law Firm located in Raleigh, North Carolina. The Bishop Law Firm represents Social Security disability clients in Raleigh, North Carolina and surrounding areas. We do not get paid unless you win, and we also offer free case reviews by phone. This video is going to discuss who can apply for Social Security disability benefits. This video is not going to discuss the process under which Social Security can find you disabled. This video is going to discuss the steps that Social Security will go through to determine if you are even eligible to apply for Social Security disability benefits. When you apply for Social Security disability benefits, the Social Security Administration is really going to look at three areas to determine if you are eligible for benefits. The first thing they're going to look at is your work. Are you working? And if you are working, are you making more than SGA, which is substantial gainful activity? The second area that they will look at is, are you eligible for one of the types of benefits that Social Security offers? Social Security offers Social Security disability insurance benefits and supplemental security income. The third thing that Social Security is going to look at before they accept your application for benefits is, do you have a severe impairment, and is that impairment preventing you from working? It should be noted that even if you do not meet the criteria to apply for Social Security disability, sometimes the Social Security Administration will still take an application from you for benefits, but then they will just turn around and send you an automatic denial because you do not meet the qualifications for receiving any type of benefit from them at that time. The first question, are you engaging in substantial gainful activity? What this means is, are you working for pay, and are you grossing more than the dollar amount that Social Security allows? In 2020, SGA is $1,260. This is gross, not net. So before taxes are taken out every month, are you making more than $1,260? Also, in addition to this hard dollar amount of $1,260, if you're getting close to this dollar amount, say you're making $1,200, say you're making $1,225, even $1,175, that could still put you at danger from being denied because you're making close to or as much as SGA. Even if your application withstands the initial review by Social Security and you go on to the disability determination, your case could still be denied at some later point because you're making too close to the limit that Social Security allows. And an inference can be made, if you can make $1,200, there's really no reason why you can't make $1,260 or more. So if you're not working or you are making substantially less than the SGA amount, the next thing that Social Security is going to look at is if you qualify for any type of benefit that they offer. Social Security disability insurance is based on the credits from the work that you have done in your life. And just like its namesake, it's insurance. And insurance runs out when you do not pay the premium. You have to be found disabled before your date last insured in order to be eligible for Social Security disability insurance benefits. In general, you have to have worked 5 of the last 10 years in order to be insured for Social Security disability benefits. If you have not worked 5 of the last 10 years or something very close to that, you may not be eligible for Social Security disability insurance benefits. The other type of benefit that you may be eligible for is supplemental security income. Supplemental security income is not based on the credits from the work that you have done in your life. It is a need-based program, but it also has income and resource limitations. If you are working a part-time job that is under SGA, it can still affect your ability to receive SSI or Supplemental Security Income benefits. It may totally disqualify you from receiving SSI. In addition to income, SSI also has resource requirements. So if you own too many cars or if you own land outside of your home, those resources could be counted towards your SSI eligibility. So if you are not eligible for Social Security disability insurance because you have not worked long enough, or if you're not eligible for SSI because you don't need financially the way Social Security determines that you do, then you're not going to be eligible to apply for any type of Social Security disability insurance benefits. The last thing that Social Security looks at before they allow you to make an application for disability benefits is if you have a severe impairment. A severe impairment is a mental or physical or combination of impairments that limits your ability to do basic work activities. Actually, in my practice, severe impairments are not a serious impediment to people who want to file for Social Security disability benefits. Usually, as long as you allege that you have conditions or symptoms that prevent you from working, that will suffice to get your case moved to the disability determination level or the initial level. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about who is eligible to apply for Social Security disability benefits, you can call our office. We offer free case reviews, 919-615-3095. Thank you and have a good day.